Routing a corded probe through the CoolCube 96. The CoolCube 96 has an elastic external pocket to hold a temperature monitor or other things during use. When using a device with a corded probe, here's how you can do it. Step 1. Slide out the front PCM panel, being careful not to disturb the product arrangement. Step 2. Place the probe within the chamber as if it were the product. Route the cord to the center front of the CoolCube. Step 3. Slide a hand between the outer case and front styrofoam insulation to create about 1 inch of space. The front vacuum insulated panel will flex slightly. Step 4. Take the plug end of the cord and slide it down between the foam and outer wall of the case, about 2 inches, to the black flexible grommet. This design allows for the grommet to be removed during this process. Step 5. Push the plug end of the cord through the flexible grommet from the inside out. Step 6. Replace the front PCM panel. And place the final panel on top to complete the chamber. Step 7. Plug the cord into the temperature monitor and place it in the pocket of the CoolCube. Step 8. Close the lid of the CoolCube. One moment of caution here. Routing a cord through the open lid and not utilizing the grommet hole will likely inhibit the lid from closing completely and could damage or sever the cord when closing the lid. Now go enjoy the peace of mind that a CoolCube brings.